Hey guys, it's ChrisWatters. Welcome to my video real estate vlog. In this episode, we're going to be talking about what to do if interest rates go up while you're under contract to purchase a home. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my video real estate vlog. If this is your first time visiting our website, be sure to check out the top. You can search homes for sale. We also have access to properties you won't find anywhere else online. You actually have to email us if you want a list of our sneak peek coming soon properties. And finally, if you're thinking about selling and you want to know what your home is worth, you can use our home evaluation tool, which will give you a low end to a high end range of what your home is potentially worth. If you want to know to the penny what to expect, we're going to need to do an on-site visit to check out the condition of your property. And then we can also complete a net proceeds estimate so you know to the penny, given your existing mortgage and its payoff, what you would get at the closing table. So in this video, we're talking about what are you supposed to do if the rates go up while you're under contract on a house? Well, the good news, all of our clients, we advise that they lock the rate on their mortgage as soon as they go under contract. The only exception to the rule is when we expect rates to go down, then we may not necessarily lock in the rate. Now, let me tell you guys something about, there's this amazing rate lock program out there that Supreme Lending offers, and they will lock the rate for 180 days. So as of the taping of this video, which is mid-October, interest rates, as you probably are well aware, have gone up significantly. And they are likely to continue going up. The Federal Reserve is meeting again next month. And depending on the inflation numbers, we'll see how much the Fed increases the Fed rate. And we'll find out what the corresponding mortgage rates go up based off those actions of the Fed. And it's all kind of predicated on the inflation. So if you are concerned about rates rising, which if I was a buyer or I'm all the clients I'm representing, I'm telling them we need to be locking in your rate now. That way, as rates continue going up, you don't have to pay the burden of that, extra interest expense. Not to mention in another year or two when rates come back down, which we'll all keep our fingers crossed that happens. As rates come back down, then we have the opportunity to refinance the house. So anyways, again, thanks for tuning in. If you're concerned about locking in your mortgage rate, the best thing is to lock that rate in advance. Again, there's a program where you can lock the rate in for 180 days. Reach out to our friends at Supreme Lending. That's Brian Campbell. He's one of our preferred loan officers over there at Supreme Lending. All right, thanks so much for tuning into this video. Again, don't forget at the top, got a great search tool to look at properties for sale and our home evaluation tool. See you next time. Bye, everybody.